So when you purify your body by using our complete body detox, what you're doing is opening the door to return yourself to optimal health. You live in a very stressful environment with alarms going off, people honking at you, wife, boss yelling at you, and just the stress of dealing with a pandemic and financial concerns, it's going to be stressful. Formula number 5 is our kidney, bladder, and adrenal formula. Now this formula has herbs like chocolate, cranberry. That's great for breaking, chocolate is great for breaking kidney stones. But you have the cranberries can be great for urinary tract infections, making sure the kidneys are working optimally. And you also want to address your adrenal glands because you live in a very stressful environment with alarms going off, people honking at you, wife, boss. 6th formula in our detox, formula number 6, is our hormonal formula. So in the men's detox, there's a male hormonal, and in the female detox, there's a female hormonal. The reason we do this separately like this is because we understand that even though the bodies are similar, there are some specific functions for the men and the women that work differently, so we want to address that in the detox. Very important if you're eating like meats that are pumped up with estrogen that can grow fast. You eat tofu, that's lots of estrogen. We want to make sure that we have men that are not all man boobs. And make sure that we're women that don't have growing a beard, getting hair on their chin, or growing a mustache. So you want to balance your hormones so you don't have these situations. Now, formula number 7 is our colon formula. This is the formula that you're going to feel. Really going to feel this, but this is the one that's going to make you have bowel movement every day. Most diseases begin in the colon. And so we want to make sure we clean the colon so that you don't have health challenges. As you're eating, you're only going to the bathroom once a day, 2 or 3 times a week, you're constipated. Doesn't matter what your doctor's telling you, you're constipated. You should be having minimum 1 bowel movement a day, ideally 2 or 3 every day. So that's what we want to make sure you have herbs that are going to actually facilitate you having that bowel movement every day. So there's herbs that are in our colon formulas like cinnamon, there's a fennel seed. These are herbs that are going to make you have that bowel movement every day. The last part of our detox is our activated charcoal. Now what we have in our activated charcoal is derived from white willow bark. You can also get it derived from coconut shell, but we use white willow bark because I think it's a little, in my opinion, it's a little stronger. What that does is it removes heavy metal toxins out of the body. So if you have amalgam fillings and you have mercury toxicity, they use cooking on aluminum foil, drinking out aluminum cans, using antiperspirant that has aluminum as the #1 ingredient, you're going to cause yourself to have heavy metal issues. You cause yourself to have autoimmune disease. You cause yourself to have Alzheimer's disease after continued use of aluminum exposure. So this is going to remove those heavy metals out of your body, so you can prevent yourself from having challenges related to heavy metal toxicity. So what we're doing here is trying to remove all the toxins from all of your eliminated channels at the same time so that you can return yourself to optimal health. Now the body does this naturally itself. However, what we're doing is kind of like giving the body a hand and assist and making the body more efficient at doing this by the use of our herbs and our formulas. That's what your goal is. That's the objective. So what I'd like you guys to do is subscribe or like the video that you see here. Put some comments below if you want us to address something specific. This allows us to gauge how effective our video is and what you want us to do other videos on. Thank you very much for listening, and have a nice day.